Did you know that eating the right things at the right time greatly increases your results? Whether it's losing weight or gaining muscle? Welcome to our channel Healthy Fit Guide. In today's video, we will talk about the best timing for eating before and after a workout, as well as the foods we should consume. If you want to optimize your results and ensure good performance during exercises, keep watching. Pre-workout nutrition. When it comes to pre-workout nutrition, it's important to prefer smaller meals or snacks to avoid fatigue during exercise. Wait for 1 to 3 hours after a smaller meal or snack, and 3 to 4 hours after a larger meal to ensure proper digestion. To obtain sustained energy, consume complex carbohydrates before a workout, such as whole grain bread and cereals, while avoiding simple sugars that can cause an energy crash. Additionally, avoid fatty and fried foods as they can cause discomfort and fatigue during the workout. Pre-workout nutrition. Here are some ideal options. Fruits, they are rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, providing natural energy. Fruits like bananas, apples, and oranges are excellent choices. Greek yogurt is a source of protein and calcium, which help promote satiety and preserve muscle mass during the workout. Combine it with some fruits for a complete and healthy snack. Oats are an excellent source of complex carbohydrates, providing gradual energy release. Additionally, they are rich in fiber, aiding digestion and promoting a feeling of satiety. Eggs are a high-quality protein source and contain essential amino acids for muscle recovery. Consume boiled or scrambled eggs as a pre-workout option. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of complex carbohydrates, providing gradual energy release. They also contain vitamins and minerals essential for muscle health. Almonds are rich in healthy fats, proteins, and fiber, making them a great pre-workout option for those aiming for muscle gain. A small portion of almonds provides long-lasting energy. Protein shakes are a convenient way to obtain an adequate amount of protein before a workout. Opt for a shake with quality protein, such as whey protein, combined with water or milk. And don't forget hydration. Make sure to drink at least 2 to 3 glasses of water before the workout and continue to hydrate during and after exercise, with intervals of 15 to 20 minutes. Post-workout nutrition. After a workout, it is essential to provide your body with the necessary nutrients to replenish glycogen stores and aid in muscle recovery. A combination of carbohydrates and proteins is ideal at this time. Some healthy food options for post-workout are: post-workout nutrition. Lean protein, opt for lean protein sources such as chicken breast, fish, eggs, whey protein, or tofu. These options aid in muscle recovery and promote satiety. Leafy vegetables, include leafy vegetables such as spinach, kale, or arugula in your post-workout meals. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, and have low calorie content. Colorful vegetables, consume a variety of colorful vegetables such as broccoli, bell peppers, carrots, or beets. These vegetables are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that assist in muscle recovery. Complex carbohydrates, include complex carbohydrates in your post-workout meal, such as brown rice, whole wheat pasta, or quinoa. These carbohydrates provide energy for muscle recovery and growth. Healthy fats, add sources of healthy fats to your post-workout meals, such as avocado, olive oil, and nuts. They provide energy and aid in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Remember to adjust the portions according to your individual needs and seek guidance from a nutritionist to obtain a personalized meal plan. It's important to note that in the morning, before exercising, a light meal or snack is recommended. Before bed, wait for 3 to 4 hours after a heavier meal to ensure good digestion and a restful sleep. And that concludes our video on the ideal timing for eating before and after a workout, as well as the best foods to consume on each occasion. Remember that a balanced and healthy diet is essential to achieve your fitness goals. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more nutrition and training tips. Until next time.